Alright, and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today another nerve mod. People were asking for it, and I was about to start a long strike modification. So here it is. I decided to go for a Rebelle mod. Still can't believe it. Looks neat though. I hope you agree. Added some lights and a light blade down there. I was about to give it a real bayonet type of style. Lawbreakers Damast blade thingy, but it was too dangerous. And yeah, the stock is reversed and flipped. The prime handle is new, nitron sight, and it still fires. Don't get irritated by the barrel in there. And yeah, enough for the talk. Now let's shoot it. There's also a sound mod included. Every time you prime it, you get a charge sound. Okay. Shooting is so fun. And day one of the huge long strike mod. It always gives me a hard time. I might even, it's a mod, why not even? I'm a tall guy. Why is it not that way? A bit higher, more in line. I might even go for that. And here what we're going to do is a lot of paint, a lot of light, a new priming handle. I will show you guys how to do that on my other channel, SELFMADE. Link in the description, hopefully. And yeah, remove that. A lot of paint, extend the barrel, put tons of light on it. For the paint, I'm not sure yet, white or black, cute or dark. I'm going to surprise myself. And here we go. We'll definitely go for this and extend the rear by a chunk of aluminum. Kind of like this. Cut this off, cut this out, and yeah, just to make sure I have mentioned it, we will go for metal here. Metal! Not some printed plastic crap. Not a fan of that. Pure aluminum, and I will just turn this and attach it here somehow. And then put on some covers like this. Or like this. Right. Whatever, but much longer and hopefully cooler. I have no idea yet, just in case you didn't notice yet. And yeah, let's see what I do. I'm excited. I like how it's wider in the bottom than on top, so I thought I will add some. I cut this off and add some sort of cooling fins, smaller, bigger, wider, higher, and then like till here. Could look good. Let's cut stuff off and glue stuff on. And when the paint is on, it will look killer. Moving on. And boom. The paint in the rear looks a bit golden. It's actually sort of a brownish gray. And you see the fins. Looks awesome. And it was difficult to paint the space in between white. So difficult, I don't want to talk about it. And some parts are white, some parts are black. Will go well with the rest of the gun. And now, yeah, let's reattach it and get the gun done. Made of wood. Clear coated and fillered. Now I can sand it down, paint it black, and make it fit. You can't even take this bad boy apart. It's a nitron, vortex nitron sight. So I just added some metal panels to make it look a bit more different, a bit sleeker. And yeah, paint and done. Now that it holds the battery for the lights, it needs an on switch, hidden right here. and the soundboard is stored inside of the Long Strike. And that's actually it. And that's it for the day, guys. Hope you had fun. Building it was a lot of fun. I don't think I will ever sell it. 3 weeks of work. And yeah, let me know what you want to see next. More Nerf, more steampunk stuff. Maybe a steampunk Nerf mod. I'm open for anything. Talk to me on the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and I'll see you guys next time.